So this was one of those little side quests that I really enjoyed. So after we finished visiting the Japan Mobility Show, we were able to go to the Tamiya PLA shop. But the surprising thing in Shimbashi, the Tamiya PLA shop moved into a new building, and then they added more stuff in the building. But before we got there, we got to stumble into Spark. And Spark is a new gallery that sells model cars. So they sell up to 1,300 model cars, ranging from the size of 1/8 to 1/87. It's the only gallery in the whole of Japan that you can be able to find and access helmets, cars, and all these other model cars. These ones you can give them to people as gifts or if you're a collector. Then from there, we were able to go to Tamiya and check out the new shop, look how it looks. And it's such a beautiful place like to visit, just to be within the environment. I think the white complements the whole place and it kind of gives it this sense of space. And you can be able to get from model things to build from World War II to planes to basically everything, paints, colors for your model buildings, and then RC cars, parts, wheels, mod items. And then from there, you can be able to get your mini 4-wheel drive and trucks and parts also for that. And then they also have a creative place where you can build your things. You can spend some time inside there. So the whole experience was absolutely amazing. There were lots of people with kids. There were people there who were enthusiasts buying their own parts to go build. And it also feels like a family. So it's one of those places, if you're around Japan and you're into RC cars, or even you don't have to be into RC cars, you can definitely visit and just get to see how a factory shop looks like and get the feel of it and see things that maybe you won't be able to get in Canada or America or any other place. And also they have like a real racing car that they exhibit, and they have a coffee shop. You can buy them merch, t-shirts, hoodies, aprons, stickers. The stuff are absolutely friendly. So it was a nice place to spend a couple of hours, have a coffee, let the kids pick a couple of things for the mini 4-wheel drive, and then also me to get a few things. And definitely I'm going back. They also have a mini 4-wheel drive racing track. So one of the weekends I'll definitely go there and see how it goes. And they don't open on Monday and Tuesday for the racing track, but the rest of the shop is constantly open. Across the road they have a model shop where you can buy paints for the Gundam, and these are the model figures. And if you're around Shinbashi or you have nothing to do in Tokyo, you've seen everything, get a bus number 1. Head to Shimbashi and go Shinbashi and have a look and see what's happening. Well, it's just a small video. I'll definitely go back there again and do an extensive video on each and everything and spend some time. And also in Spark, I want to go there and also look at each and everything and figure out what's the best thing to get, who am I going to give a gift, and for my own collection, what do I need? Well, see you guys on the flip side, and remember to hit the like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.